Yeah, this one's for all my people hustling through their 9 to 5s. If you're sick of your job, sick of your boss, if you feel like me, sing along now. Come on, come on. I don't need no 9 to 5, and girls sing.
I don't need no 9 to 5.
Everybody in the club come alive tonight, and boys sing. I don't need no 9 to 5. Ain't nobody telling me to pay my bills. Living like a boss, yeah, that's how I feel. So just sing. I don't need no 9 to 5, and go sing. I don't need no 9 to 5. So word up. Don't gotta work, I be living like a boss do. I got a bottle in my hand when I walk through. Don't care what y'all do, rolling with a small crew. Show you how to win, we can show you how to floss too. If it don't make dollars, don't make sense. This for my people who've been struggling to pay rent. Don't wanna work, getting sick of where they day spent. Wanna call they boss up and tell them that they ain't shit. Don't tell them we ain't worried about a job, no. I'm the boss of myself, head honcho. Got my eyes low, feel it while I vibe slow. Go and tell the bar I'ma need a drink pronto. Kick back, get a bottle pulled up. Call into work, tell them you ain't showing up. Cause I ain't trying to make another man rich. Everybody call your boss, go and tell them like this straight up. I don't need no 9 to 5, and girls sing.
I don't need no 9 to 5.
Everybody in the club come alive tonight, and boys sing. I don't need no 9 to 5. Ain't nobody telling me to pay my bills. Living like a boss, yeah, that's how I feel. So just sing. I don't need no 9 to 5, and go sing. I don't need no 9 to 5. So word up. In the club, drink spilling on my new clothes. Got the bottles on ice and the booze cold. Now my crew knows I be with a few hoes. Hit it, then I button up my shirt like a true low. Ain't nobody going home alone. When your girl try and leave, tell her hold the phone. Tell them fill another glass of that gold Patron. Tryna live stress-free, how it's supposed to go, yeah. Said it's gonna be a wonderful night, and my drinks be the only thing that's flooded with ice. And I'm only gonna sip it if it's double the price. Whole squad about to get into some trouble tonight, yeah. Kick back, get a bottle pulled up. Call into work, tell them you ain't showing up. Cause I ain't trying to make another man rich. Everybody call your boss, go and tell them like this straight up. I don't need no 9 to 5, and girls sing.
I don't need no 9 to 5.
Everybody in the club come alive tonight, and boys sing. I don't need no 9 to 5. Ain't nobody telling me to pay my bills. Living like a boss, yeah, that's how I feel. So just sing. I don't need no 9 to 5, and go sing. I don't need no 9 to 5. So word up. I don't need no 9 to 5, and girls sing.
I don't need no 9 to 5.
Everybody in the club come alive tonight, and boys sing. I don't need no 9 to 5.
Bring it back down.
Ain't nobody telling me to pay my bills. Living like a boss, yeah, that's how I feel. So just sing. I don't need no 9 to 5, and go sing. I don't need no 9 to 5. So word up. Yeah. Wait, how the fuck does that melody go again? Na 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 na. That's it. When I popped off, stun all you lames, and I've been living like a rock star. Really a shame when y'all be flexing with a drop top. Got him a chain while I've been grinding for the top spot. Changing the game, I've been rolling with my ride or dies, ride or dies. Know they twisting up that la la la, la la la. Blowing up, you know it's time to shine, time to shine. And we don't gotta sign no dotted line, dotted line. Finally winning, so give me my credit. Running through lines, I feel like I'm Bettis. Live in the lab, I'm a hell of a chemist. I'm feeding for beats, I developed a fetish. I got my adversaries in the scope. Know that boy Jackavelli do the most. Used to be tripping, but now that I'm winning, I just want a glass of Henny, let me toast. Mind elevated, I feel like I'm Buddha. Just take a look at the way I maneuver. Said they gon' make it, but I made it sooner. So get on your knees and bow down to your ruler. Yeah, I be the one they follow. Feel like I hit the lotto. Young Don, better call me Pablo. Better yet, breaking bad Gustavo. Los hermanos, yeah, they know them.